Welcome students, I hope you all are fine. Our today's lecture is for class 9th biology, chapter number 4, topic number 4.4, page number 70, and the title of the topic is osmosis. Before moving toward the main topic, you should know about two main things. First thing is semi-permeability of cell membrane, as well as how this affect the movement of particles. And the second most important thing that you must know before studying osmosis is the concentration, that what is concentration and how it affects osmosis. Let's move towards the first step. As this topic is in continuation of the previous topic, diffusion. After diffusion, we are studying osmosis in the passage of molecules into and outside of the cell. So this is the second topic, and we have studied about semi-permeability of the cell membrane in previous lecture, that the semi-permeable membrane allow only some substances to enter or exit from itself. So here in osmosis, this is very important. The movement of water molecules across a semi-permeable membrane. Okay. And the second thing that you must know is the concentration. What is concentration? Concentration is basically the amount of solute present in a solvent to form a mixture. In a mixture, one substance is a solute and the second thing is solvent. Solute get dissolved in solvent. Our universal solvent is water, and you have previously learned about this as well. Now move towards the osmosis, because we have studied the main concept previously in last lecture. So let's move towards the definition of osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water molecules across a semi-permeable membrane from a solution of lesser solute concentration. Here it is very important to denote that lesser solute concentration. So the movement is from the lesser solute concentration to a solution of higher solute concentration. So here you have to understand this. There are two type of solution A and solution B. Solution A has lesser solute concentration, and when the solution have relatively less solute, it would be labeled as dilute solution. And on the right second side, we have concentrated solution. Concentrated solution has higher solute concentration. And you can see in the diagram that both of these solutions are get separated by this semi-permeable membrane. As you have studied in diffusion, that water molecules are passed by the protein channels and move inside the cell. But in case of solute, water is a solvent and its molecule size is lesser, so they can easily pass through the semi-permeable membrane. But when we talk about the solute particles, they are bigger in size and they cannot pass easily from the semi-permeable membrane, and this membrane resists it. So what happened over here when we put these two solutions in a container by the partition of semi-permeable membrane? What happened over here? The process of osmosis occur. What happened? Water molecules move from dilute to the concentrated solution to form an equilibrium. So this was the simple concept of osmosis. I hope you understand it well. Thank you for your attention. Have a good day.